So now we're going to look at the shoulders. I'd like you to release the arms down by your sides, and we're going to take your shoulders forwards and up and then back and down. And what we're trying to do is find all the range of movement through the shoulders. So as I bring them forwards and up, I'm going to keep them up as I squeeze them back, and I'm going to keep them back as I roll them down. I keep them down as I roll them forwards, keep them forwards and reaching up, keep them up and reaching back and down. And let's reverse those circles. So we take the shoulders back, up, forwards and down. Down and back and up and forwards and down. Now let's try and move the shoulders in opposite directions. So I'm going to reach my right shoulder forwards and my left shoulder back and up. And then I keep them both up as I reach the left shoulder forwards and the right shoulder back and down. Right shoulder forwards, left shoulder back and up. Left shoulder forwards, right shoulder back and down. Let's swap the direction. Left shoulder forwards, right shoulder back and up. Right shoulder forwards, left shoulder back and down. Left shoulder forwards, right shoulder back and up. Right shoulder forwards, left shoulder back and down. From here, I want to draw some bigger circles with my shoulders. So I'm going to let both arms dangle down by the sides to begin. My palms are facing in towards my thighs and towards the chair. Now I want to reach this right arm forwards and up. And then I'm going to turn the right palm to the right hand side and reach the right arm all the way back and down. So now the back of the hand is touching towards the chair or my thigh. I reach the right arm back and up. And then I take it forwards and down. Let's do that one more time with this right arm. Reaching the right arm forwards and up. Find the sticking point and then twist and turn through your shoulder to reach that right arm back and down. And then reaching the right arm back, we twist and turn and we reach it forwards and down. Let's do the same thing with the left arm. So we reach the left arm forwards and up. Twist through the shoulder to turn your palm out and behind. We release the left arm all the way down, so the back of the left hand is now touching towards the thigh or the chair. We reach the left arm back. We twist and turn through the shoulder to reach the arm up, forwards and down. Let's do that one more time. So the left arm goes forwards and up. We twist and turn through the shoulder to reach it back and down, back of the hand towards the thigh and the chair. Reach the left arm behind. We twist and turn through the shoulder to reach it up, forwards and down.